Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to be filming this video today. I am partnered up with Soapbox for this video. I've talked about them before. I discovered them at beautycon. They are a hair care and body care company and I really love their products. So I was very excited when they reached out to me and asked if I would like to be part of this campaign with them. And of course I said yes because I truly love their products. You guys, like I said, you've heard me talk about them before many times. I've posted about them on my Instagram. I just really like the products. I like what they stand for. I like their mission. And I think overall it's just a wonderful company with wonderful products. So I just want to talk a little bit about the company. As I mentioned, they are a hair care and body care line. So they've got a couple different items available. But with every product that they sell, their products come with what's called a hope code on the back. And that code, you put it in online on their site and it shows you that with your purchase, they donate a bar of soap to a community in need, either locally or abroad. And that community, like I mentioned, gets that bar of soap, but the hope code allows you to see where that product has been donated. So products that I received from beautycon, I went on and I checked the hope code, and like one of them was water for, I think it was in Africa, and that was really cool. So not only are they donating the bar of soap, but they're also helping out those communities and providing other resources available to them. And I think that that is absolutely amazing and essential, especially in today's day and age. So huge props to them for doing their part to make the world a better place. But I will go ahead and show you what the hope code looks like, what I'm talking about. So this is on my shampoo bottle. You can see right here it says hope code, and then it's got this code right here. So I would just go onto their site, I would type this code in, and it would show me where the bar of soap is being donated, either locally or abroad, to a community in need. So that is super cool, and I will put in a little video showing you what I'm talking about exactly with that. But I do want to go ahead and talk to you about the different products. They sent me a bunch and I'm so grateful. So thank you so much, Soapbox, Lindsay, David. You guys are amazing and I love your mission and your products and the brand. So thank you. So go ahead and get started with the video. The first products that I tried out that they sent me, I was able to choose from their different lines and stuff, but I chose some shampoo and conditioner, and I had tried the, I want to say it was the tea tree shampoo, and I forget what conditioner I tried out. I actually just used it up this week before this package arrived. But they have a bunch of different shampoos and conditioners available. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the product overview that they sent me. Their shampoo and conditioner, it retails for $14.99 for the set of the shampoo and conditioner. And the ones that I picked out this time around was the activated charcoal conditioner, which is for detoxifying and refreshing your hair, and also the activated charcoal shampoo, again for detoxifying and refreshing. I tried out the tea tree one before because it's really good at like removing buildup and stuff, and I have a lot of dandruff, you guys know that, but I wanted to try something a little different and see how well this one worked. And I've tried it and I do really like it. The scent is a lot more masculine than the tea tree one, but it's a very nice scent. It's still clean, it's still fresh, it feels invigorating when I use it. My hair is soft and supple, just how I want it to be, and I do really like these. But they do have a bunch of other scents available. So they have coconut, that was the conditioner I got, I believe. They have an argan, they have the tea tree, they have bamboo, which I'm very curious about trying, and they have the charcoal, and I got the charcoal. So I really liked these products. I think that they did really nice. I'm excited to keep using them and seeing how I like them even more. But moving on to the next product that I have is another hair care product, and this is one of my favorite products from the brand. This is their coconut oil rejuvenating deep conditioner. It's in this nice tube, or tub, I'm sorry. You get quite a bit in here. Why can I not find how much you get? I don't know, you get a lot. It lasts a very long time. I still have the one from beautycon and I use it, I don't know, maybe 2 times a week, I want to say, and I still have a lot, and that was in August. So definitely worth the price. It definitely leaves your hair very soft and very smooth and silky and manageable. I really love this product. Like, if there was one thing that I was going to recommend, it would definitely be the deep conditioning mask because it is amazing. This retails for $17.99, so it is kind of a little pricey, but I know like the macadamia deep conditioners that are very popular, or they were a few years ago, those are about $22. So this is cheaper than that, and I believe you get the same amount, if not more, in this. And I think that it works amazing. Next up, we have the bar soap. Again, they have different scents available for the bar soap. This is the scent Coconut Milk and Sandalwood. I had this one back in August at BeautyCon also, but I fell in love with the scent. I just think that it smells so nice. It's kind of sweet, it's kind of nutty. It just smells so good. But they have this one available, as well as Sea Minerals and Blue Iris, Citrus and Peach Rose, and then this one. So there's different scents available, and this retails for $14.97 for 3 bars of hand soap. And at least with the coconut milk and sandalwood, the one that I have, it has kind of a grit to it, so it's kind of exfoliating too, and it feels really, really nice. It smells so good. Your skin picks up the scent. It smells super good. It's not overpowering, but it smells really fresh and really clean. Next up, I have their body wash, and again, I picked it up in the scent Coconut Milk and Sandalwood, or rather they sent it to me in the scent Coconut Milk and Sandalwood, but it is the scent that I picked out. And they have it in Sea Minerals and Blue Iris, they have it in Citrus and Peach Rose, and they have it in Vanilla and Lily Blossom as well, which I was curious about, but I didn't want it to be too floral. I wasn't sure how floral it was going to be, so I just went with my favorite tried and true. And this stuff, it lathers up really nicely. It feels so silky and smooth. Your skin feels so silky and smooth, and again, your skin just soaks in the scent, and it just is so good. It's so yummy, and it's that nice nutty, creamy, I don't know, sweet scent. It's so good. And this retails for $22.47 for 3 of these, and it is 16 fluid ounces. Next up, I have a hair oil. This is the lightweight avocado oil for restoring and reviving your hair. I typically like to use these hair oils by spraying them into the palm of my hand and rubbing my hands together and running my fingers through my hair. I feel like that works best for me, but in the clip you can see that I sprayed it directly on the hair. I wanted you to kind of be able to see, hopefully, the mist that it gives. It is a nice fine mist. They do have different versions of this as well. The one that I had before, it was the coconut oil one, and I do feel like that one was too heavy for my hair. It left it feeling oily, and I'm not a super fan of oily hair. I don't really know a lot of people that are. This one though, the avocado oil, I do feel like it's not as heavy or as oily, so I am grateful for that. But the coconut oil one, a little goes a long way because it definitely leaves your hair feeling oily. But they have the jojoba oil, the avocado oil, and the coconut oil as far as these hair oils go, and these retail for $16.99 each. Now, a product that I do not have but I do want to mention is their hair mist, which also retails for $16.99, and it's just a mist that makes your hair smell good, feel good, look good. It's infused with vitamin E and different things to help, you know, your hair be shiny without weighing it down, and they have that in the coconut milk scent. And then I have a hand soap. The hand soap retails for $14.97 for 3 of these, and it's 12 ounces. I have pomegranate and plum, and I really like this. I never tried their hand soap before, and it feels really good. It's similar type of formula, I feel like, to the body wash, where it's very smooth and creamy and silky and just really, really nice. And I chose the pomegranate and plum scent. I wanted to do something a little different. When I think about clean hands, I don't really think so much about like a creamy, nutty, sweet scent. I think more like fruity and fresh. So I did want to get that scent, and I'm very happy with it. I do like it. I kind of wish it was a shampoo because it smells really, really good. But they have this in different scents as well. And they have the pomegranate and plum, which is the one I have. They have sea minerals and blue iris, coconut milk and sandalwood, citrus and peach rose. and vanilla and lily blossom. Oh, and Meijer lemon and tea leaves. That was the other one that I was thinking about getting, because I really think, like I said, the fresh, the fruity, I think lemon, I think kitchen and clean and stuff like that. But I do like the pomegranate and plum. I think it smells really, really good. It's not super fruity, it's not super overpowering, but it still smells nice and delicious. That's the best way really to describe these products, is that they smell so yummy and delicious and they work amazing. And then the last thing that I have from them is their bath bombs, which is $24.99 for 5. And it comes in a box like this. And again, there's a Hope code on the back, and it tells you all the different bath bombs inside. There are 5 different bath bombs. They are all a different scent. And this is what it looks like. They look so nice. I've not used these yet, but I'm excited to. But we have Sea Minerals and Blue Iris, which is really pretty. Vanilla and Lily Blossom. Citrus and Peach Rose. Tea Tree and Mint. I love the color on this one. And Coconut Milk and Sandalwood, which so far has been my favorite scent of everything. But I'm very excited to try these out. Again, it is $24.99 for all 5 of those. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you pick up a couple things from Soapbox. They are an amazing company doing amazing things. They are available on Amazon, and you can use the code SOAPISHOPE5 through December 13th, and that will give you a discount, as well as you can find it at Sally Beauty nationwide and soapbox.com. The card that they sent me also shows that it's available at a couple other retailers, including Winn-Dixie, Albertsons, Meijer, Rite Aid, a couple other ones, but those are like the big name ones that I recognize. So again, if you purchase it on Amazon, there is a discount, and that is the code SOAPISHOPE5, and it's through December 5th. And it is for 20% off. So let me know down below if you've tried Soapbox, what you think about this. Again, it was a partnership with them, and I really, really love them. And I wouldn't make this video if I didn't truly love and believe in them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys. Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.